Welcome to 5 reactions of Karens getting karma in court. In this video, we will showcase 5 instances where entitled individuals, commonly known as Karens, face consequences for their actions in a court of law. A Karen tries to sue a man for $10,000 and accuses him of perjury. However, the judge explains that adding an account to the response is not perjury, but making a false statement is. The woman interrupts, but the judge dismisses the case and explains that perjury is a criminal offense.
He has the right to put whatever is in the answer.
I'm not saying he can't, but
you can't add another count because you don't like or you disagree with what is in his answer.
If he responds and his response is a lie,
it's his version. First of all, do you understand what perjury is?
Yes, I understand perjury is a lie. I know what perjury means.
Perjury is a statement, a false statement made under oath. So
exactly, and I got documents that prove he was lying.
You don't understand. It's a false statement made under oath. Under oath.
That stated a lie.
When did he testify to something that he lied about? It's a false statement made under oath.
In 2021, a woman named Karen Turner caused a scene at an Ohio grocery store by refusing to wear a mask during the pandemic. She was asked to leave but didn't comply, leading to the police being called. Body cam footage showed Turner uncooperative and screaming as the cops tried to take her away. She was fined $573 plus court cost for her behavior.
Illegal search! Illegal!
You can't have the person. If you kick me, you're gonna go to jail.
Illegal!
An anti-mask Karen in Nebraska caused a scene in a grocery store by not wearing a mask and calling other shoppers cute and sheep. She also coughed at people while claiming she had allergies. After the video went viral, the woman was identified as Janine Hoskovic and was fired by her employer, SAP, for disregarding public health and safety.
Excuse me, I'm coming through.
A Karen had a feud with her previous attorney, Paul Nicoletti. She claimed he had filed a personal protection order against her for stalking, but it hadn't been issued. Karen went to court to fight the order and asked for sanctions against Nicoletti, but the judge denied her request and sanctioned her instead. Karen was ordered to pay $500 in court fees. Later, due to a clerical error, Karen was back in court and had to pay $495 to take care of the previous court fees.
I'm sorry, on this what?
I have a motion for sanctions against...
I know that. And the purpose of the sanctions are based on what?
It was a frivolous and vexatious PPO based on nonsense. I am not stalking, Mr. Nicholas.
I haven't signed a PPO.
PPO, okay. Let me...
Okay, were you served?
No, I wasn't, but very...
No, you may not. How can you ask to sanction someone when you haven't even been served?
That's the point.
Stevens, do not interrupt me when I'm speaking, ma'am.
I have a constitutional right to be heard.
Had I issued a PPO, you would have a basis to be before me. I did not issue a PPO. He did not pursue his right to a hearing on the PPO. You were never served, and here you are taking up my time so that you want me to chastise him and make him pay money? No, ma'am. Your relief is denied, and in addition to that, I am sanctioning you with costs of $500.
Thank you. I knew it was fixed.
I beg your pardon?
I knew it was fixed.
To correct the mistake they made, you basically objected to your credit card company, and that brings you here today. Do you have the $495 that this is the balance owed?
I did file an objection and an answer to this order to show cause that wasn't properly served. Didn't have an affidavit of merit.
Ms. Stevens, do you have $495 with which to pay today?
I just said I have my credit card. I do not have cash.
Very well then, Ms. Stevens. You may go down to the clerk's office, pay $495 forthwith to take care of the $500 that this court assessed you the last time you were here.
I'm entitled to know what statutes or court rules you rely on to sanction me in the first place. That's part of due process.
In court, a judge questions a man about his employment status and emphasizes the importance of having a job. The judge explains that she has been working since he was 13. The judge confirms if he's applying for jobs, and the man responds affirmatively. The judge is trying to teach a lesson that should have been introduced earlier, and that it is crucial to be productive. That's all for today's video on 5 reactions of Karens getting karma in court. We hope you enjoyed watching these entitled individuals face the consequences of their actions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.